We now present our work, a global edge bandwidth cost gradient based heuristic for fast data service delivery under vehicle overlap. Introduction. The advances in sensing, communication, and computation have transformed the capabilities of a modern day vehicle. This led to the rise of connected vehicle ecosystem. Also, the emergence of multiple driver resistant applications have enabled collaboration with infrastructure to enhance the safety and driving experience. It is now possible to transfer data or computation from vehicles to the infrastructure using V2I communication for applications such as road safety, traffic control, vehicle diagnostics, etc. Motivation. One of the primary tasks to realize data service delivery is the edge resource allocation. An application requires memory and computation resources on the edge nodes. This problem is non-trivial as there are many edge nodes and vehicles in the system and there are constraints on edge resources. In addition, the mobility of the vehicles make this system highly dynamic. The density of traffic may vary from one edge node to another, which has its influence on resource allocation. These factors must be taken into consideration for edge resource allocation. Contributions. In this work, our primary focus is to propose a novel edge resource allocation technique for data service delivery to connected vehicles considering vehicle flow model and vehicle overlaps in edge coverage regions. Firstly, we propose the algorithm to determine the overlapping set of vehicles and use the overlapping sets to formulate the edge resource constraints. Due to the high time complexity of the optimization framework, we propose a fast global bandwidth cost gradient based heuristic to perform data service delivery considering vehicle overlaps. Problem statement. We consider that there are n vehicles and m edges in the system. We model our system in terms of vehicle model, edge model, and delay model. A vehicle model is defined by the characteristics and demand request of vehicle like vehicle path, amount of data requested, amount of processing capacity required for service delivery, etc. An edge model is defined by the properties and resources of an edge like the total memory of the edge, total processing capacity of the edge, bandwidth of the edge, etc. A delay model is defined by the timing delays in the network like time taken by a vehicle to travel to an edge and time taken by cloud to send a data chunk to an edge. We need to find the amount of data chunk that needs to be allocated to each edge for all the vehicles such that the total bandwidth cost is minimized and edge resource allocations are optimally allocated. Solution approach. The optimization framework consists of several constraints such as range constraint, accumulation constraint, timing constraint, edge resource constraint, and bandwidth schedulability constraint. Previously, the edge resource constraint was formulated considering the case where all the vehicles pass through an edge at the same time. However, this is not practically true as different vehicles pass through the edges at different time. Therefore, we propose the concept of vehicle overlapping, where we consider vehicles in clusters and try to allocate the edge resources considering these overlapping sets. This enables that at a time only a set of vehicles are allocated the resources of the edge, thereby saving more resources of the edges. We propose an algorithm to find the overlapping set of vehicles. First, we calculate the earliest arrival and latest departure time for all the vehicles passing through the edges. Then we compare the ETA and LTD for all the pair of vehicles passing through each edge. If they have a common time interval, then they will be considered in the same overlapping set. Using these overlapping sets, we can optimize our edge resource constraints by allocating the resources to only the overlapping subset of the vehicles. This saves more memory and processing capacity in the edges. We also present a fast global edge bandwidth cost gradient based algorithm to find solutions for data delivery while minimizing edge bandwidth cost. In each iteration, the heuristic algorithm selects the edge that has the least increase in edge bandwidth cost among all the edges for a specific quantum of data. The cost gradient function is given by delta is equal to del times m star by kj, multiplied by 2 plus 2 times aj plus m star by kj, where aj is the memory used and kj is the constant for edge ej. Now we'll look at the results. We see that the maximum number of vehicles serviced is greatest for BO, base overlap, being more than the CG heuristic and base now overlap by 15% and 28.57% respectively. The edge bandwidth cost of CG heuristic is slightly more than base overlap by 1.37 units and base now overlap by 1.06 units. We see that while BNO is significantly faster than base overlap, CG heuristic is even faster than base now overlap by nearly 65 times. Thank you.